Yo, it's good, everybody. How is it going? How art thou? Hope thou is good. I took like a really mid type 2 pre-Asia, but I was kind of expecting us to gravitate up here, so we'll see if we can reach that level up here, create that top wick that's been chilling there for so long. Who knows? Oh, you took that too, Carly? Nice. It's a pretty mid setup. I was just so friggin' bullish. The Doc's wife took it too. Look at that. Everybody's trading friggin' pre-Asia now. I should have just took profit up there. Maybe I will do that, honestly. Just close it now. Yeah, I'm just going to close it now. Wait for another setup.
Order filled.
Boom. That's like 3K. Yay. See if we can close like small body red up here. Get a nice entry. Yeah. Yeah, I probably should have just taken profit there anyways, which is what I did. Yeah, I seen that on him. But yeah, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's chilling. I've been trying to like fix my diet and shit. I was slipping there for a little bit. Just, I don't know what was going on. Not in the best headspace. Pump for the day. That's the attitude you need for sure. Where was the invite? Didn't exist. No, I'm just kidding. What's up, Vanessa? How's it going? Flynn Cave, yo, yo. What up, what up? Need a what? Need a live it? What's a live it? Need to live it, like as in it'd be your lifestyle? Oh, I get it now. That's creative. I like that. No way, Seth. That's sick, bro. Congrats, man. That's huge. Nice, dude. Everybody clap it up for Seth. Kyle, what's up, man? How's it going? Yeah, that's true, Honey Bear. Feels friggin' weird calling you Honey Bear, but I'm just gonna roll with it. $8 from Polonox code affiliate. That's good, actually, though. That's good, man. Ariel, what up? Cutting out seed oils. Yeah, what's the deal with seed oils anyways? I hear like all these health nuts always talk about friggin' seed oils being bad for you, but it's like I tried to look into it. I couldn't find any reason why it's bad for you. But that could just be me. I don't really know. They're poisonous? Yeah, just why do people come to the conclusion for that though? It oxidizes. Yeah, I don't know fuck all about anything, so I'm just stupid. Yeah. Top Step is so friggin' profitable, man. They have so many traders trading with them. They can just do whatever. They could probably sell $5 challenges and still make money. Dean, was that in my Discord? Pez Junior's texting you. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to get you in my Discord. I'm gonna have to get you in mine. Give us a strat breakdown for us newbies. Basically, bounces off support, bounces off resistance, and breaks through support and breaks through resistance. Yeah, it's very simple, but we have rules around what trades to take when we approach those areas and how to go about it. Yo, Tucker made it. That's crazy, man. Everybody follow, subscribe to Tucker. He's the man. Yes, sir, Orem. Got to. Yeah, it does sound easier. It's easy to say. The shades are cold. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I keep forgetting to charge them. You can charge them and then like be able to change the color by pressing a button on the side, but I keep forgetting to charge them. How you been, Tucker? You say you're living home again now, right? With your brother or something? Unless it's me. Thank you. Chilling, that's good, man. Hope everything's good. I'm good. It's just like my habits and shit, like my eating habits, I'm trying to get under control. It's kind of pissing me off. I do so good for like a week or so, and then I just poo the bed. Then I gotta like get myself to do it again. What's up, Modern Family? How's it going? But I mean, considering I did lose like 70 pounds, so I overall am doing like really good with it, but still, I want everything to be perfect. Yeah, I seen that, Seth. What do you think about that? You just scoffed a chocolate cake. That's friggin' sick. Yeah, I'll say why. Basically, it was very mid. I was watching it, and I really wanted a closer back up here, and it barely did it, and then I just justified it and took it because, like, mainly because of how to 4-hour close above this really key thing and how to daily close and stuff. I was just so freaking bullish. I justified it. Probably shouldn't have done it, but all the non-negotiables I technically followed, so it's chill. Wait, what's the underlying belief? I can't remember what I was talking about now. Yeah, it's true. I mean, ever since I've been moved to live, I've been crushing it way more because they have the automatic daily loss limit that you can't change, and it's set 24/7. And risk managers actually monitor your performance, and it's just way easier to succeed. I really like it trading live, honestly. Dude, if we get a small body red outside the range here, that is going to be gas. That is going to be gas. Oh yeah, I like the look of that if we get it. Yeah, you get, as you scale up, you get different ones. Like my account's at like 50k right now, so they don't scale it up at that point. But once if you have 100k in your live account, then they can change it to like 6k or 10k actually. I think up to 10k, but they kind of judge per like individually. Food bro, I've been investigating with God on why I'm doing it too. That's what my coach tells me. Oh, okay. Yeah. They say you either live to eat or eat to live. And I'm trying to eat to live, not care so much about binging and stuff like that. Well, I'm going through a prop. I don't know. It's weird because I'm technically trading a live account, but I'm with a prop firm. I just somehow ended up in this position. If I was trading the actual live without the risk management team and the daily loss limit and stuff, I'd probably poo the bed, honestly. But just the way they have it set up because they actually want you to succeed when you reach the live account, makes it so much easier. Eat too much during the night shift, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, legit. Like there was like a day last week where I was up so much. And friggin' I was getting greedy. I was holding on to my trade too long. I do that sometimes. I don't know if you noticed, but it was in New York and someone emailed me and they were like, yeah, we're going to liquidate your positions if your unrealized profit and loss goes down to a certain point. I was like, oh shit. Like, there's nothing I can do, but yeah, sure. And then when they closed it, it just dropped from there, and I would have been stopped at a BE and said I made a couple grand. Which is sick. You eat too much in general? Yeah, that's something to work on, man. Because as a trader, like, I feel like it's kind of the same muscle that you're flexing when you're practicing following your rules and trading, is like sticking to doing something you said you're going to do, whether it be diet, exercise, whatever it is. Like whatever you said you're going to do, whether you do it or not, comes down to self-control. And it's like the same shit, but I'm going to follow my rules in trading. Yeah, that's what happened. I got a big long email about how I'm not following ICT strategy to the T. No, I'm just playing. Ty, I went to your channel. I was like, when the market opened, I was like, I wonder if Ty's streaming, because he was streaming friggin' market open for a while. And then I seen you haven't been live for 7 days. What's on the go, man? Got some payouts. Don't want to stream anymore. Yeah, like, why would you ignore ICT if you're making money? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, why would you prefer to make money? Why not just keep trading ICT? Why would you want to make money? Market open isn't as good. Yeah, I know. I noticed that, actually. Yo, Brian, how's it going? Enjoy a 25% win rate, yeah. And like 2 trades per week. Yeah, I understand that, Ty. I understand that for sure. I'm just telling myself, like, okay, if I get through a few months, then I'll have like the confidence built up, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's just anything you get more comfortable, I feel like, the more you do it, which is kind of why I'm sticking it out. Eventually, I think I'll be in a good position. And I do enjoy it. It's not like I gotta stand here and just be uncomfortable for friggin' an hour or an hour and a half. It's like I'm still having fun. Like, am I as good of a trader? I don't know, honestly. I do second guess myself more, a little bit more emotional, or different emotions come into play with people watching me. But yeah, I wouldn't be interested in this, the Doc's wife, because like, yeah, we closed back within the range, but I'm still bullish overall, especially with the previous 30 closer being like this. But yeah, I'm feeling good about today for buys. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, I'd be taking a buy. I think I'd be taking a buy. Alright, I gotta visualize it though. Like if we were to close like right here, you know, above this level, and have like a type 1 with support on the 30, the 15 would be buying right into resistance, but can you expect it to just, you know what I mean? I think it would be. Time for golf to barcode? I don't think so, man. I don't think it will. I think it's going to be generally like a lot of movement today. Like, look at what the daily did, man. The daily engulfed all this shit by far. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can see us breaking above this level after yesterday's New York session, but yeah, Ty, I think so. I mean, it'd be an excuse to buy, you know what I mean? That 4-hour close above some key shit too. Yeah, like it's green for a long time, but when we're getting really bullish days, I find a 4-hour doesn't make it red for a long time anyways. I've seen it happen a bunch of times. Even just to get it red on the 1 hour sometimes when we're so bullish is like good. But yeah. Even if we came down further, came into these lows or whatever, you know, a type 2 backup would be dope. As long as we created some clean range on the way down. I wouldn't even want to take any type of sell though. I don't think. Yeah, Brian, that's actually a really good point. Say the daily did close like this, but there was just no top wick. You know, honestly, I probably would be more keen to take sells in that situation. But yeah, it just looks clean overall for a push up today. Yeah, I think so too, Orem. Say we had a freaking bullish candle that closed right here and we got an entry that ran this. There's still quite a... Do 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 do. Yeah, there. I was looking at that, Flynn. There is a lot of clean range too. I don't trade NQ. No, I'm not able to with Top Step unless I was to pay a monthly fee, which I'm not really interested in. Yeah, listen to Ty Gold. Ty, I've been doing my pull-ups and my chin-ups. Gonna be doing muscle-ups soon. Give me a couple weeks, I'll do some muscle-ups. Yeah, I haven't even really been... I'm not doing like gym type shit. I'm just doing pull-ups, chin-ups, and push-ups and then going for jogs. I just find that's a good way to stay in shape. Like, yeah, hopefully, dude, if I could do a muscle up by Bali, definitely won't be able to, but if like I'm supernatural and I can, then we're gone taking an Instagram reel. I can't wait for like doing a before and after video. I'm gonna have a lot of those when I like get in good shape and friggin' guess my Mustang or whatever. I'm actually thinking about buying a Mustang soon. Yeah, legit, man. I find a lot of it is just like finding something you can bear like relatively easy. Yeah. I actually enjoy doing that shit. Like throughout the day, I'll just randomly think, oh, I should do some push-ups. I'll get down and do like 10 push-ups. You did 8 kilometers? That's pretty freaking good. Yeah. Rest is weights, yeah. Ty, how much can you bench? Just a bar? Can you do the bar yet? 120 kg? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Calling cap on that. Oh, look, I scrolled up and seen Shem commented. I didn't even notice. 1% every day. Yes, sir. 1% every day is a lot. People say that. It's like, do you realize how much that is? No cap. Yeah, whatever. See if we can get some type of position. Jedi, my lord. How art thou? Good, I hope. Got 58 people in here. Look at that. Everybody subscribe. You know what? I think it's actually a good time to post my free Discord link. I don't know if anybody wasn't here last time or if there's any new people. I have a Discord community where you can post your trades. You can do whatever. Just chill. I'm going to post it in chat and pin it. There you go. That message is pinned in chat now. Go ahead and join that and just, you know, yeah, chill out with us. We got some awesome people on there. Free combine? Nah. Yeah, free burger. Free Big Mac if you join. I know that'll get you in there. Todd's going to be making fake accounts, trying to get as many Big Macs as he can. Yeah, if you don't join, you're missing out on profits, 100%. You're missing out on all different types of profits. You hit 70 kg bench. That's good, man. One thing I like about working out and like any type of strength shit is the biggest thing you got to do is just show up every day and do it. You're bound to get better if you just show up and do it every day. I feel like it's different. Like, yeah, there's some skill that comes to it and like having the right form and stuff, and you gotta have so much of like what's the word, coordination and stuff like that. But it's not like hockey or like basketball or any type of sport where you gotta have some type of skill and natural talent. It's just like show up, do it, and if you do that, you'll be sick at it. Horm, I still got those too. I was looking at them there a few weeks ago. I was just dying laughing because we were so freaking stupid, man. Yeah, we were so weird, dude. Honestly. Yeah, it's pinned at the top there in the YouTube chat. Yeah. It's funny, man. You were that small. It was a pretty mid setup, Nate. It was just, I took this as a type 2 type deal. Barely closed back with him where I had this range marked. It's pretty shit, but yeah. Got a 30 closer coming up in a minute. Might end up waiting until we break above that level with the way it's looking. Or maybe we can kind of come down like this, close around here, and then engulf it on the next candle after wicking down more and testing down here more. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Yeah, straight up nerfed at the door for sure. But at least now we might be able to get like an engulfing candle or something. Because where was that? Yeah, I don't know. Dude, I wish I did. I'd love to help you out, but I actually can't remember. And I remember it being hard. I remember it being really confusing, and I just can't remember how to do it, so sorry about that. You've been struggling for 5 months. Man. You haven't been able to use it? Yeah, you can use ChatGPT for that. It should be able to help you. Yeah, look at what Shem said. There's screenshots on the website. Send me your license. That's funny. One second, guys. Yeah, go on their website again and find the god. Or yeah, if you have a one-on-one, you can bring it up then. But yeah, if there's a guide on their website, it should be good. Should be good enough to follow along to what they say, but yeah, we kind of are just telling you. If you took the trades I'm taking, I'd be filing bankruptcy. That would stink. So don't take the trades I take then. I seen some people talking about bankruptcy on the internet. They were saying it costs money to file bankruptcy. How does that work? That makes me think of the episode of The Office where Michael Scott's finances were so bad and someone told him you need to think about bankruptcy, and he thought that all he had to do was declare bankruptcy and all his financial shit would be fixed. So he just literally said, I declare bankruptcy. Yeah, Seth, you know what I'm talking about. He walked into work and he just screamed it. And he thought everything was fixed. I watched The Office like friggin' over 10 times in a row. It's pretty ridiculous. It's my comfort show. Pretzel Day is a good one, yeah. Stanley's favorite day. Nate, yeah, well, I went over it a couple times. It's basically like it was very mid because what I wanted to happen didn't exactly happen. I was looking to buy back up here, and I wanted it to close stronger as like a type 2 back into the range. It barely closed back into where I had my level marked, and then I just took it on this candle and rode it up to here. But yeah, it's pretty mid. I was just pretty confident that we were going to reach that level, so I used it as an excuse to take it, basically. Yeah, pretty much. I'll be quicker to take mid entries if I'm confident about the direction more. Like, I didn't compromise on my non-negotiables, but I definitely compromised on the structure. Just get your reps in, Nate. Just don't give up and keep showing up. Like, I'll say it over and over. I'm really just in a blessed position to have a live account where I can actually risk like $2,000 and it'll be friggin' 4% of my account. Like, legit. Yeah, the order place outside first minute is basically has to do with the closure and the retest needing to take at least a minute. Like, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. If I take something within the first minute, then it lowers the probabilities a nice bit. It's all similar, Ramson. It's just kind of different levels of volume. New York has a lot of volume. Asia has decent volume, like good enough. Definitely even better than good enough. Like, it's really good volume. London is like a mix between. Yeah, it all plays out similar. It's just, you know, for me, like, I like that Asia is in the beginning of the daily candle forming. Like, I feel like I have a good pulse kind of on, you know, how the daily opens for the first few hours now at this point. The Finer Things Club. What's funny about that is me and my brother have a Goodreads group or club actually called the Finer Things Club. You can apply to it if you want, Seth. Oh, we're gonna treat you like Jim though. Sorry. Yeah, I like that we kind of came down and tested the lows a bit. If we can engulf this now with in the next 7 minutes and then retest, I'll be in for buys. Only if Gabe is there. Nah, sorry, he's not there. Tucker is just casually sending me reels. Are you still in the chat, Tucker? Six minutes. We're flipping green. Come on. Come on, give us an entry. Seth is just bringing up every friggin' milestone moment of The Office. I know you watched it a few times too, didn't you? If you're a real Office fan, you have not only watched it once. It's been at least 3 times if you're a real fan. Nice. Yeah, but Ty, that's because you're freaking 12. Ariel, now that surprises me. I'm surprised that Ariel haven't watched it. But yeah, Ty, it doesn't surprise me that you haven't. You were watching Jake Paul on Vine. Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah, I feel like that was a pretty predictable thing I was gonna say. Every chance I get, I just rip on Ty for being 10 years old. Yeah. I'm trying to think, who would you be, Seth? Oh, Nate got his passport in, bro. Why are you flexing on me like that? I need to get my passport. What did Seal say? Oh my gosh. Before 2027? Oh, I hope so, man. I'm not sure if I will, though. I hope I do. He might be Mose. That is the craziest character you could say. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that, Nate. I still got time though. The Bali trip's not till April, so. Adventure Time? Don't you mean Teletubbies? Or like Elmo or something? Ty, are you still in the Elmo? You still watch Elmo, bro? My November has been good. It's been good. Oh, you have some 10-year-old nieces? Nice. Yo, Keith. What's up, man? How you been? That's friggin' perfect lineup, Seth. Perfect. Things have been good. That's good to hear, bro. Good to hear. I'm glad that you're still sticking it out with trading, man. I know you've been doing it for a few months now. It's pretty rare, actually, for someone to do it for that long. Which is why the success rate is so low. I feel like people just pick it up and then quit it after failing for like a month. You're laughing so much, Ariel. Iron Giant, what's that? How did my cat get in here? Oh, I got my door left open. Oops. Oh, you're stuck in here now, Taffy. Wow, dude, I thought we were gonna engulf. Thought we were gonna get lucky. You know who Ty reminds me of? Ty reminds me, I don't know if anybody's seen the documentary Super Size Me. That's who Ty reminds me of. I hope someone has seen it. If you haven't, search it up. Why 600? No, I'm not saying it because of that. I'm saying it because he eats so many Big Macs. Lives off Big Macs. Look at his profile picture. The only reason that's Ty's profile picture is because there's not a minute of any day where he's not eating a Big Mac. So there's literally no chance to take a picture of him without eating a Big Mac. Yeah, looks like we're not going to get that engulfing candle. Looks like we're not going to get that lucky. Instead, it's going to be a freaking ugly candle. That is disgusting. What the heck? Look, viewers just dropped by like 10 people when we got that candle. That's how disgusting this candle is. Oh yeah, look at that. If we engulf still, I think I'm interested. If this candle can engulf, it'll look good on the 30 and the 15. Dude, no, you never, bro. How did I miss that? Oh, man. I'm so freaking upset, man. I'm so upset. Tucker, stop asking questions after I explained it like 10 times. It's like that, basically. Nah, I'm just kidding, Tucker. Superpower of mine? What'd you say? Oh. Oh, wait. You're talking about that time that I was there. I thought you were talking about how you did it on video. I was there for that one, actually. Yeah, I was upset because I thought you did it on video or something, because that would have been so much better. Or did you do it on video? I don't know, I'm tripping. You haven't yet? Dude, go live right now. Go live right now, because I know you're eating a Big Mac this very moment. And I'm going to pull it up on my stream and we're all going to watch it. Why is anybody talking about the quality of meat of McDonald's anyways? Who gives a shit what the quality of meat is? It's literally meant to kill you. Just eat it and enjoy it. It's McDonald's. Like, who cares if it's healthy? Oh, look, Taffy wants to leave now. Get in my room, dude. Get out. Oh my gosh, man. My cat just threw up. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that after. I might be going after this candle anyways. My cat just came in my room, threw up. My cat just came in my room for 10 minutes, threw up, and left immediately after. Why would he do that? Like, honestly. Probably ate some rat. Yeah. Yeah. The McDonald's was not high quality beef that I fed him. Fed him, I mean. Yeah. I gave him a Big Mac earlier. I guess it wasn't good quality, but does anybody remember when McDonald's did the chicken Big Mac? It was like a giant McNugget as the patty. Sorry, Ty. The healthy Big Mac is crazy. I hope it's not human meat. Dude, Bluey, there were so many people talking shit about it. Like, everybody in my friend group was saying it's no good, but I honestly loved it. Oh, Orem, you liked it too? Yeah, the bots were saying that it's no good. Like, the meat was like plastic or something. I was like, man, it's literally a giant McNugget as a patty. Like, what better can you ask for? I don't know, Seth. My question right now is, how did this stream turn into a long ass conversation about McDonald's? Like, we're here trading, guys. Come on, focus on the charts. We're supposed to be disciplined traders, not a bunch of fatties talking about McDonald's all day. See, this is what happens when we got Ty in the chat. If Ty's in the chat, the whole conversation just shifts to McDonald's. McDonald's is open. Gonna have to go there and get a coffee after. It'll be like my 4th coffee. Pay me, how much you gonna pay me though? That's the question. Gotta be worth my while. It's gonna have to be like 10 racks for me to do it. I'll look at that after, Tucker. It's a 4-hour drive? What? Thought you were home from St. John's. Oh, you're away working. Yeah, $6 is worth it. I need it. My while. Worth my while. Do I say that differently? No fast food there. Man, how do you survive? You mean you actually take time to cook your food? What a loser. Oh, did it? Yeah, it gotta be worth my Walmart. Come on, I know you want to reject up and close bullish, dude. Come on, just do it. Okay, let me put you to sleep real quick. I was at Walmart, and when I was inside Walmart, the food in Walmart was good. Couldn't think of anything else to say. Putting all you guys to sleep. Just wait till we get a trade, though. Everybody's gonna be wide awake then. Yeah, do you think people thinks I got a thick accent? Man, I barely even got an accent. Wally 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 World. We're going to Walmart. Your wife was blown away by my accent? Dude, I'm telling you, I got no accent. Got no accent whatsoever. You should see the friggin' the like old people from where I lives. Yeah, can we just get a trade? My addiction is telling me I need one now. I bet they have a thick accent. Yeah, legit. Get a trade, buy a burger. Maybe I will be selling just for something to do if we close below. I wish I was up 7,500. Time for some dopamine. We're gonna get a sell position on an extremely bullish day. What can go wrong? Check Discord to hear a thick Newfie accent.
I was in the fishing school years ago. We called up there to St. Joseph looking for squid baiting. And we were there after dinner, and I rode ashore too off, and on the wharf was an old man sitting now. And I introduced myself and told him who I was and where I come from. And I was an old man, a big white whisker. And I said, sir, were you ever in Littlebun, eh? Yes, boy, he said, there's nothing tonight. He said, yes, he said, "'Twas my grandfather, Safe Patrick, been hung home in Ireland," said. What a true, Lord. That's what he said about it. I didn't believe it too much out home when they were talking about it. But that's it.
I can kind of understand that. I couldn't really hear it, to be fair, but yeah, he probably was 10 beers in, and it was probably like 8 a.m. Look at this, we're breaking below. Let's see. We don't go any further. Is anybody getting extremely nervous right now? Oh, look at that. Wow, that hourly engulfed a lot of shit, eh? I'm gonna get ready to place an order, I think. Definitely want a bigger top wick, but yeah, I don't know if that's a big enough top wick for me. Yeah, it's just gonna take off though. Bye bye gold. You're in need to feel something. Did your addiction tell you to take it? Because if it did, I understand. Yeah, if we close back within the range, though, I think I might be down to take a buy. Did you actually take it, Ty? Oh, Ariel, you took it. Did you take profit or? Yeah, nice. Oh, Orem, you took it? Yeah, understandable. Yeah, Sham, that's exactly what I'm thinking, man. Exactly what I'm thinking. But it looks like there's so much volume, dude. I don't even know if it's going to stick around. Yeah, W, Seth. Or, I know you took it. Don't lie. I knows you took it. I knows what you're like. Yeah, I knows you. Yeah, here comes that wickety wick wick wick. And any man who knows a thing knows he knows not a damn thing at all. Does anybody know that song? And every time I get the thing and I get to getting me up off the wall. And I'm just gonna take a minute and let it breathe. I'm just gonna take a minute and let it shine. That's a classic. That's an anthem, to be honest. Yeah, W Orem. W Logic, bro. For sure. If this doesn't go further and closes right here, I'm going to take it by. If it goes any further, I'm just going to end the stream. Well, in this scenario, I wouldn't put it below the support, I don't think. Oh, really, Ty? I knew you took it. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking too. A buy would be dope. Yeah, I think it's looking like I'm gonna end up ending stream after this candle, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll wait, son. McDonald's is about to sell all its gold. Dude, I do not have a few more in me, trust me. I can only handle so much of you hooligans. What's the family surname? I don't know. Can't leave until we catch a W. We'd be here for weeks. I won't I won't stand here like this and look at the screen for sure. I'd just be like kind of doing my own shit and checking it every now and then. Yeah, massive W candle. This candle is amazing. Want to marry this candle. Grab a chair. I can't. It won't even fit in between my shit and that background. Addicted to confirmation bias. Nah, it'd be pretty shit on him. Well, it'd be good for like if we were to engulf it on the next candle and have the 30 close green then. Even though it would be dozy, but it would actually still look like shit even if we did that, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it. It's kind of poo. It's been a pretty poo session, as always. But if I see anything, I'll probably post it in the Discord, which is why, well, not why actually, because it's not a signals group, but either way, join the freaking Discord. Okay, anybody here wants an awesome community filled with awesome people where we hang out. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm doing weekly mindset seminars, okay? Coming from a person, like I've come to develop a pretty strong mindset. I feel like I've overcome schizophrenia. I've lost 70 pounds. I've gotten a lot in payouts. Profitable trader, moved to live on Top Step, you know. I feel like I have a lot to offer to people for, you know, just believing in yourself and accomplishing whatever it is you want to accomplish. It's going to be focused on trading more than anything, but yeah, it's going to help you guys or help anybody who may have been in a similar situation I was in, just hating life overall and like struggling to accomplish your trading dreams and stuff like that. It's all free. There's no charge. So yeah, join the Discord. And this weekend's going to be the first one. I'm already working on what I'm going to talk about. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Love you guys. Peace out.